Hello everyone, this is somex and today we are going to see how insertion sort works. In case of insertion sort, we select one element from left to right and compare that element with the elements that are present on left hand side of that element. The selected element is known as key element and we will compare it with the rest of the elements which are present on its left hand side. In case of insertion sort, we start our loop from second position. Since we have to compare our elements on the left hand side, so if we start our loop from first position, then there is no element on the left. So we start our loop from second position. So let's start. For the first time, our key element is going to be 6 because the loop is starting from second position. And now we compare our key element with the element that are present on the left hand side. Okay, now we compare, is the key element less than the element on the left hand side? The condition is true, so we will shift 7 towards right. Now there is no element left on the left hand side, so we will put 6 here. Now again, for the second time, we will take our next key element, that is 4, and we will compare 4 with its left hand side elements. Either 4 is less than 7, either key element is less than the element present on the left, so shift this element towards right. Now again we will compare 4 with 6. Again 4 is less than 6, we will shift towards right. Again there is no more element left, so we will put 4 in the first position. Now we will select our second element, key element, that is 5, and we will compare it with each element that are present on left hand side. Is 5 less than 7? The condition is true, so we will shift 7 towards right. Again we will compare, is 5 less than 6? The condition is true, so we will shift 6 towards right. Now we will check again, is 5 less than 4? The condition is false, so 4 will be not shifted towards right, either 5 will be placed after 4, hence 5 has got its exact position. Now we will select our next element, key element, that is 2, and compare it with the rest of the elements. Is 2 less than 7? Yes, then shift 7 towards right. Is 2 less than 6? Yes, then we will shift 6 towards right. Again, is 2 less than 5? Yes, shift 5 towards right. Is 2 less than 4? Yes. Again, there is no more elements, so we will put 2 in the beginning. Now we will consider our last element as the key element and compare it with the left hand side elements. So 1 is less than 7, so 7 will be shifted right. 1 is less than 6, 6 is shifted towards right. Again 1 is less than 5, so shift 5. Again 1 is less than 4, shift 4. Again 1 is less than 2, shift 2. There is no more elements, so we will put 1 at the beginning. Hence we have obtained our sorted array. Now I would like to discuss the program. Up to now we have seen how insertion sort works. Now on the basis of the understanding, we are going to see the code for the same. Here I have wrote this complete code in C language, You can write the same code in any other language by just changing the syntax of declaration of elements, header files, and the printout and print scanf statements. The logic will remain the same. This is the logical part of this program, which is going to be the same in every language. Now I would like to explain what I have done here. I have declared I, J, K and key element and an array of 6 elements as of integer type. I have predefined the values of the array as 7, 6, 4, 5, 2, 1, the one which I have took in the explanation. Now this is my outer loop and this is my inner loop. Now I am starting this loop from position 1. Either in the loop it is 0, 7 is at 0 position, 6 is at 1 position, and so on. I am not starting it from 0 since I have already stated that in case of insertion sort we start our loop from second position. So I started it from 1, either 6. Now it will continue the loop up to the last element. Here key element is a of I, either a of 1, which is 6. So first time our key element is 6. I have assigned the value of j as I minus 1, either I is 1, 1 minus 1 it is 0, and then we have checked the condition if j is greater than equal to 0, either when at least one element is present on the left hand side and the key element is less than the element present on the left hand side, then we have shifted the left side element towards right hand side, means a of j is shifted to a of j plus 1 and the counter of j is decremented by 1. This process will continue until we have got the exact position of the key or all the elements which are present on the left hand side are checked. When all the elements are checked, then j is less than 0, so the loop will be terminated, or else if key element is not less than the element which is present on the left hand side, then also the loop will be terminated since we have used AND operator. Now when the loop will terminate, then we will put our key element to a of j plus 1, means the position or the exact position which we have found using this loop, and this is the printed f statement which will show the output after sorting. You can find out the exact code which I have written in the description, or you can follow my page on Facebook, www.facebook.com/pwcods, play with codes. Till now we have seen how insertion sort works and we have seen a program related to that. Now here is an algo, the simplest algo which I have created. In this I have given the name as insertion sort. Here a and n are two elements. A is the name of the array and n is the total number of elements in that array. Now in step 1 we are repeating the steps for the for loop, that is from 2 to 5. In first step we have done the for loop. In second step we are assigning a of I to key and assigning j equals to I minus 1, that we have done in program. Now in step 3 we are checking the condition of while, that is if j is greater than 0 and key is less than the element present on the left hand side. Then we are shifting, in this step we are shifting the element towards right and decrementing the value of j. After that we have moved the key element to its exact position, and the looping condition 4, its value has been incremented here, and it says end of loop step 1. So step 1 loop has been ended here and lastly exit. So this is an algorithm of how insertion sort works. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe for more updates and do like my page on Facebook. Thank you.